The sub-250-gram drone market is about to be completely rewritten. While the DJI Mini 5 Pro recently set a high bar with its 1-inch sensor, the whispers regarding the DJI Mini 6 Pro are moving from wild speculation into the territory of confirmed engineering breakthroughs. We are breaking down the authentic leaks, FCC breadcrumbs, and internal roadmap details that suggest the Mini 6 Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift for professional creators who need to stay under that critical 249-gram limit. For those of you in the United States, Europe, and Australia, where drone regulations are tightening by the day, the Mini 6 Pro is the most important piece of tech on your radar for 2026. DJI knows that the Pro moniker in the Mini lineup is no longer just about being a hobbyist toy, it's about delivering Air Series performance in a pocket-sized frame. If you've been considering the Mini 5 Pro or even the Air 3S, you need to pause and listen to these specifications because the Mini 6 Pro is designed to make everything else in your bag feel obsolete. The heart of this machine is the camera system. The Mini 5 Pro shocked the industry by squeezing a 1-inch CMOS sensor into a sub-250-gram body. However, the limitation was always the fixed aperture and the processing overhead. The Mini 6 Pro is introducing variable aperture to the Mini line for the first time. We are looking at an f/1.7 to f/11 mechanical iris. This is a game changer for cinematic shooters. Imagine flying in the bright midday sun of the California coast or the Mediterranean without needing to constantly swap filters. You will be able to control your exposure and depth of field natively from the remote controller. But it's not just about the aperture. The sensor itself is seeing a massive jump in readout speed. Internal sources suggest the Mini 6 Pro will support 4K at 120 frames per second in full 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG. For the slow-motion enthusiasts, we're even hearing whispers of 5.1K at 60 frames per second, a resolution previously reserved for the much larger Mavic 3 series. This is possible due to a new O5 image processing chip that handles heat more efficiently. Heat has always been the enemy of small drones, and DJI has reportedly redesigned the internal cooling vents. Look for more aggressive intake gills near the front arms of the Mini 6 Pro to keep that high bitrate data flowing without thermal throttling. Safety is the next major pillar. While the current generation uses vision for nightscape obstacle sensing, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to debut 360-degree LiDAR. This isn't just for avoiding walls, it's for high-speed tracking in complex environments like dense forests or urban alleyways. If you've ever used ActiveTrack, you know it's good, but it still struggles with thin power lines or leafless branches. The Mini 6 Pro's LiDAR system is designed to map a point cloud of its surroundings in real time, giving the drone a sixth sense that exceeds human reaction time. This is a massive win for solo creators who need to film themselves mountain biking or running without a dedicated pilot. Transmission technology is also getting a generational leap. With the release of the DJI Lido series earlier this year, we saw the introduction of the O4 Plus system. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to push this to O5, which utilizes 5.1 GHz and 5.8 GHz bands with even lower latency. For users in North America, this means a theoretical range of 25 kilometers, but more importantly, it means a rock-solid 1080p 60 frames per second live feed even in high-interference environments like downtown New York or London. The Pro version of the controller might even feature a built-in 5G slot, allowing the drone to switch to cellular data if the radio frequency link becomes blocked by skyscrapers, a feature long requested by enterprise and high-end cinematic pilots. Now, let's address the reality of battery life. Physics is a stubborn thing, especially when you have to stay under 249 grams. However, DJI has been experimenting with higher density cells. The Mini 6 Pro is targeting a flight time of 48 minutes with the standard battery and a staggering 62 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Keep in mind, using the Plus battery will push the drone over the 250-gram mark, requiring FAA or local registration, but for professional work, that extra hour of airtime is a luxury you cannot ignore. The gimbal design is also seeing a structural rethink. We loved the 225-degree rotation on the previous model, but the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature a dual-axis tilt mechanism. This would allow the camera to not only look straight up but also provide a wider roll compensation, making your footage look like it was shot on a Steadicam even in high wind conditions. Combined with the true vertical shooting that social media creators crave, this gimbal will likely be the most versatile ever put on a consumer drone. There is one more thing that hasn't been widely discussed: AI-powered cinematography. DJI is reportedly integrating a creative director mode into the Mini 6 Pro. Instead of just following you, the drone will analyze the scenery and suggest cinematic movements based on the landscape. If it detects a mountain peak, it might suggest a spiral rise. If it's tracking a car on a winding road, it will automatically calculate the best parallel orbit to get the most dramatic lighting. This isn't just automated flight, it's an artificial intelligence that understands composition. The price point is expected to stay competitive but reflect the Pro hardware. Expect the Mini 6 Pro to launch at approximately $899 for the standard bundle, with the integrated screen bundle hitting the $1,099 mark. For the professional features being packed into this frame, it's a significant value compared to the $2,000 you would have paid for this level of performance just 2 years ago. As we look toward the release window, historical data and recent filings point to a late third quarter or early fourth quarter 2026 launch. DJI likes to dominate the holiday shopping season, and the Mini series is their most successful lineup. The Mini 6 Pro is the culmination of years of miniaturization technology, and it represents a future where the size of your gear no longer dictates the quality of your output. Furthermore, recent supply chain leaks suggest a new ultra-quiet propeller design is being finalized. These blades use a biomimetic swept wing shape to reduce the high-pitched buzz typically associated with small drones. This makes the Mini 6 Pro not only more capable but significantly more discreet for filming in sensitive or public locations. It's a subtle yet vital improvement for professional workflows. If you're a professional content creator, a real estate photographer, or just a tech enthusiast who demands the best, the Mini 6 Pro is the drone that will finally bridge the gap between portable and cinema grade. It's the tool that lets you capture the world from perspectives that were previously impossible without a full production crew. We are keeping a close eye on the DJI supply chain and the latest patent filings. As soon as we get physical leaks of the shell or the new O5 controller, you will hear it here first on Tap Tech. The tech world moves fast, but we make sure you're always one step ahead. Thank you for tuning in to this deep dive into the future of aerial cinematography. If you found this technical breakdown valuable, make sure to follow for more. We are constantly monitoring the bleeding edge of the industry to bring you authentic, data-driven reviews of the gear that actually matters. Whether you need the variable aperture or you are more excited about the 60-minute flight time, the Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be the drone of the year. We will see you in the next update.